A quick and easy udon stir fry. It comes together in literally minutes, right, Sean?
5 minutes.
Faster than takeout, cheaper than takeout, and
better than takeout.
It is so much tastier than takeout. This is loaded with peppers and mushrooms. We've got these big, beautiful black tiger shrimp. And this sauce that is so heavenly and so easy to make. I can bet you have all of the ingredients to make it at home right now. Let me show you how to make this one for dinner tonight. When it comes to udon noodles, you can buy these fresh in a package, ready to dump right onto your griddle, or buy them frozen. If you buy them frozen, they just take a few minutes to heat up in a little bit of hot water. You can use any kind of protein. I've got these gorgeous jumbo black tiger shrimp. Tails are left on for added flavor. You can add any kind of veggies you want to this. Make it as loaded and packed with veggies as you want, or as little. One thing that's a must is green onions. I like to chop up the green parts, push them aside, save them for garnishing, and then cut the whites of the green onions, and we'll add some greens to the whole thing too, but cut them a little bit larger. Those we're going to cook with along with some mushrooms. I love adding mushrooms to any kind of stir fry, some bell peppers, keeping it simple. If you want to add things like Napa cabbage or get crazy with all different kinds of things, this one is simple, especially with my sauce. This is my go-to sauce for my udon noodles, stir fries, sometimes fried rice, even some fried Korean beef. Let me show you how to do this. Few simple ingredients is all you need. Starting with oyster sauce, we'll put this into a bowl, then we'll add either dark soy sauce or tamari soy sauce. Also some low sodium soy sauce, rice wine vinegar. I go heavy on my sesame oil because I love it. We've got garlic paste, some ginger paste. Now you could go fresh or use the paste. They're a good shortcut. Adding a little bit of sweetness to this with brown sugar, although you could also use honey. Sometimes I switch it up. Either way, I always have all of these ingredients on hand, and it's so quick and easy to make, and I know everyone who tries it loves it. Now we've got everything ready to rock and roll because, like I said, this comes together in probably 2 to 3 minutes on the griddle. We're on medium heat. We're gonna drizzle down a little bit of sesame oil, grab our mushrooms and our peppers, and let them start cooking. We wanna keep these moving quickly since it's a high, quick, fast cook, and I want my veggies to still have a nice bite to them. We'll slide these aside for a second, drizzle down a little bit more of our sesame oil, and drop down our shrimp. These are going to take 30 seconds on each side to start. We mix them in with our veggies, get everything married together. We'll grab our udon noodles, down onto the griddle they go, along with all of our green onions. Give everything a toss, and then we're gonna grab that sauce. Sean, I know you love the smell of this sauce.
Absolutely. It's the best smelling sauce on the planet, I think.
I'm so glad that you love this, and it's gonna be so easy for you to make at home. Toss everything together just for a few more minutes because we do not want to overcook our shrimp or our udon noodles. We'll give these just 60 seconds to hang out on the griddle to finish off so that brown sugar can really caramelize in the sauce while it's heating up on the griddle. A little bit of toasted sesame seeds over the top. Now it's time to grab our scooper, get this plated up, and it's dinner in under 5 minutes. The best part about this is that you could prep all of your veggies the night before if you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner. I love going over the top with extra toasted sesame seeds and a ton of those green onions that we sliced up. Now this one is a family style favorite and so much better than takeout, so you guys have to try it at home and let me know when you do. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you for another one of my family style recipes in my next video. I love how chewy those noodles are.
You gotta get a piece of shrimp.
Look at that. Those shrimp are cooked to perfection. And if you've never had udon noodles, they're so chewy and so, like, it's a texture thing for me I love. How would you explain them? They're just a fat rice noodle that is delicious. Oh my god, it's like lobster. Black tiger shrimp are like lobster. They're so big. This one's good.